I think it's the right time. Ready na kami to take the next step sa relationship namin. I think itong araw, especially ngayong Sunday, the perfect na day. Kakapasa lang ng bar exam, lawyer na. So di na makakasagabal yung proposal ko sa pag-aaral. Di na ako abala. So,
Kabala ba? Naman, thank you nga.
Member kami ng nung tinatawag na yung National Youth Parliament. That was 2014. Una ko siyang napansin kasi una ko siyang nakita na nakaupo, Committee on Employment. We're waiting for the yung deliberation na yata yun. Tapos nandun ka lang, nakaupo. Baka masungit, sabi ko. Sino tong masungit? So, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Kaya lang, masungit eh. Mahirap i-approach. Surprise ka. Slide lang.
Ang daming tao.
Madaming tao. Na-surprise ka ng slide. Slide lang. I love. It has been an amazing life with you, love. From the time na na-meet kita sa NYP, 2014, the time na sinuportahan mo ako sa law school, and then eventually ikaw rin nag-law school, and then pumasa sa bar. It has been an amazing, amazing life. Every heartache, every victory has been a blessing. Yun yung na natutunan ko sa iyo. Every moment is a blessing. Kaya before our friends, our family, I want to ask you something na napaka-importante. Sana my love, Attorney Don, my precious one, I'm gonna ask you, love, will you marry me?
Yes, love, yes, of course. Oh.
Saan ba? Dito.
Oh, thank you, Lala.
Ang laki lang.
Maluwag.
Hindi, sakto lang. Malaki.
Yung event, di ba?
Oo.
So we already went home, tapos pauwi kami noon, may hinila akong upuan. Pagkahila ko ng upuan, nakita ko yung certificate niya from the National Youth Parliament. Ako yung SecGen before, so I had the numbers of everyone. So I called him, tapos nakuha niya yung number ko. Tinawagan ko siya. Nung sinabi ko sa kanya na naiwan niya yung certificate. So we went back to the hotel. Tapos, ayun, we went out with friends, di ba?
Yeah.
Nag-coffee, tapos nag-KTV. I remember with
Yeah.
KJ and Bench. Ayun.
Ang ganda. Gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. First time na nakita ko siya, gandang-ganda ako. Tapos may right mix ng masungit siya tsaka sa maganda. Kasi pag titingnan mo talaga siya, mukha siyang masungit. Pero ang bait-bait, napakabait. Na lahat ng maganda sa buhay nasa kanya. Positive things, all things na that would push you to be a better person, nasa kanya yan. Ayokong pakawalan yun eh. Kaya talagang sa akin na yun.
matalino kasi talaga siya, di ba? Tapos meron siyang appeal na pag dumadaan siya, yung mapapansin mo siya kasi makikita mo talaga, tapos matangkad. Lahat ng iningid ko kay Lord nasa kanya. Matalino, mabait, God-fearing, mas matangkad sa akin. So lahat talaga nung hiningi ko, binigay ni Lord. First boyfriend ko siya eh. And I'm also your first girlfriend. So first namin yung isa't isa. And hopefully with the ring last.
Congratulations, Kuya Junald and Ate Don!
Congratulations, Don and Junal.
Congratulations! Don, congratulations! Best wishes sa inyong dalawa ni Junard.
Congratulations!
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 To love each other, for better or for worse. And to understand and help each other grow. And ayun, to become a better version of ourselves for each other.
Precious time it just passes.
Within reasonable terms, to give you not just the 10%, the 22%, the 50%, but 100% of my body and my soul. I love you, love.
I love you.